Hello everyone, my name is Nandini and I will be instructor for electronic devices and circuits or EDC for short. So let's begin today's session. I will be introducing the overview of the syllabus for EDC. So totally there are 6 units in this course. Energy band theory of solids and transport phenomena in semiconductors, special diodes, rectifiers, transistor characteristics and transistor biasing, transistor at low frequencies, field effect transistors, and each unit has subtopics that we will discuss in our upcoming sessions. So let's dive into Unit 1. As you can see, Unit 1 is the energy band theory of solids and transport phenomena in semiconductors. This chapter focuses on semiconductors. And let's move on to next one. The next unit is special diodes. So this chapter specializes in exploring various types of diodes, their characteristics and advantages, disadvantages and applications. The next unit, that is the third unit, is rectifiers. In this unit, we will learn about half wave and full wave rectifiers and how they function. And the fourth unit is transistor characteristics and transistor biasing. In this unit, we will learn about BJTs, that is bipolar junction transistors, their operation and how to bias circuits to enhance their stability. The fifth unit is transistors at low frequencies. So this chapter focuses on amplifiers and their analysis using H parameters. And coming to the last and final unit, it is field effect transistors. So this unit covers JFETs and MOSFETs, their operation and their characteristics. And that concludes our syllabus overview. And let's meet again in the next session. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EduMoon for more updates. Thank you.